Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhavna. Today I am sharing a one tense, that is a present indefinite tense, and this tense name is a different one, that is a present simple tense. Yes. So in this tense we will learn that what happens in this tense. And yesterday I already told you that we will learn from tomorrow day by day tenses, right? I hope you understand, and if you not see this, so you can see there. So today we are going to learn about present indefinite tense. If you want to learn English language, so you must know about this tense. Yes. So this tense is a very simple tense. This tense name is also simple, that is a present simple tense. Yes. So listen, in this tense we will talk about our habits, what we do daily. We will talk about, and what is our habit, and what is simple, very simple tense, simple sentences. This all comes in this present simple tense. Yes, let's talk. And one thing is here that if we talk about the present simple tense, so in this tense has two other dividation. Like that, first is present simple tense in he, she, it name, and I, we, you, they. Yes, he, she, it name, and I, we, you, they. It's divide in a two types, different two. Whatever tense if you will learn, so this two category definitely comes. This two category definitely will come. Yes. So listen, if we talk about in present tense, if we talk about I, we, you, they, if we talk about this I, we, you, they, so we have no change, we have not to change in verb. And if we talk about he, she, it, name, if we talk about this four part, so we have to change. What change? With verb we have to put s and es. Let's begin, start. So listen, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. What's which type of category? Here is type of category. I, we, you, they. So I, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. I read. हम पढ़ते हैं. We read. तुम पढ़ते हो. You read. वे पढ़ते हैं. They read. Clear? If we talk about here, वह पढ़ती है. She reads. She reads. वह पढ़ता है. He reads. सीमा पढ़ती है. सीमा reads. Understand? Here not changes with verb, but here we have to change with verb. What changes? S and es change. Let's take some other examples. So that is very clear. So your mind will clear. That मैं खाती हूँ. I eat. तुम खाते हो. You eat. हम खाते हैं. We eat. वह खाती है. She eats. वह खाता है. He eats. मोहन खाता है. मोहन eats. This type of, and then talk about, take some example. मैं जाती हूँ. I go. तुम जाते हो. You go. मोहन जाता है. मोहन goes. Understand? Yes. Here is the concept. Try to understand this concept. हम नाचते हैं. We dance. तुम नाचते हो. You dance. कविता नाचती है. कविता dances. Understand? Here is a concept. Here is comes a name. A name divide to change the verb. Yes. Let's and one is for you. So write on comment box. हम जाते हैं, तुम जाते हो, सीता जाती है. So like, share and subscribe.